make a sound, don't say a word. That's how you survive what's never heard. Room goes quiet, something's wrong, and you learn early to go alone. Hands come fast, silence stays. Nobody stops it anyway. Better to stand, better to take, than give them something else to break. Mother watched and said nothing. It cut deeper than the hidden. No voice, no shield, no line. Just a boy learning not to fight. He figured out what pain does. It lasts longer when it's loud. So he swallowed everything whole and buried it where it don't show. Don't make a sound, don't let it out. That's how you live through all of that. If you don't react, it don't grow. If you stay still, they let you go. So now he walks with that same rule. End it fast, don't be cruel. If it's gotta happen, make it clean. Don't turn into what he's seen. Left at 13, didn't wait. Hunger felt like a better fate than staying where the walls closed in and calling that a life again. Worked his hands till they went numb. Didn't need anyone, but something stayed under the skin. Something he don't let begin. Now when the line starts to blur, he feels it crawling back to him. That same room, that same air, that same fear he won't declare. He don't fear dying alone. That's a place he's always known. What he fears he won't confess is becoming all of that mess. So if it ends quick. No drawn out suffering in it. He won't let it turn that way. Not again, not another day.